Hey guys, Steel Topic here, and if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Alright, I've got the Cavol Bucarto. Came in 2 boxes. This hefty box here. So you see that? So it's kind of a flimsy box. So this pull tab that they give you is held on by this flimsy sticker that they put over the top. So if you pull it, it'll eventually just rip right off. The other 2 that I have ripped right off. So flimsy, looks nice, but it's a not well put together box. And it has a handkerchief, and on this handkerchief it shows a sewn in Cavol helmet design, and then you have this really cool design on it. It's actually, I like the colors, looks pretty nice. Flimsy little box. Yeah. Okay. And if I give this a yank, it's just going to come right out. Well, it held on. And I pulled this knife out a couple times, and it's not that easy to come out of here. I don't know what's going on with this stinking box. It's this thin paper over the top of styrofoam, and it's a bit deep. There's probably something underneath. What is underneath it here? Let's just look. Okay, so they give you a story. Story has never stopped. Years in the planning. And then these are pretty cool pictures of their knives. Huh. And then they give you a couple more stickers inside the box. That is of the Cavol. And then, was that a tooth or something? And a microfiber cloth with the little Cavol helmet on there. All right. And then Cavol condom. No, I don't know what that is. Freshener? Air freshener. Oh, it does smell. Kind of sketch. All right. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this box. What is this thing? Do not eat. Well, does that look appetizing? I don't know what person would buy this knife and then decide that they were hungry enough to eat that. But clearly says not to do it, so if you were thinking about eating it before, don't do it. Alright. What am I doing? I didn't want to put that knife away. Alright. Let's just put this box away. In fact, let's get, hey, go back inside, man. There we go. Darn it. Ah, there we go. Just toss it right out. So it's made out of titanium. It's got a titanium handle. It's semi-open back there with titanium backspacer, milled titanium pocket clip, and it's not too stiff. It's a good flexible pocket clip, so it's not going to tear your pocket up. That's nice. It has, there we go again, it has a indentation right there on the blade, and I'm sure it's not just for your flipping purposes, but you can, flipper tab right here. There we go. What do you think of this blade style? Got a lot of belly. Like the design on that. Got gold torque screws. There you are, T8s. I checked them a little while ago, but I'll do a hardware check and we'll check again. But they're all of them are T8, including the main pivot screw. And it's only the one on that side, so it makes it very easy to, you don't have to hold this side. You can just unscrew it there and take it apart, clean it. It's a pretty thin blade. It's built obviously for EDC purposes. So it's not a very big knife. There's hardly any jimping on there. It shows a little bit, but there's not much there. And there's no grip on that, so it's just a little bit there is for looks or something. All right. It is an M390 steel blade, which is it's a pretty premium steel. Probably one of the top tier steels out there for you know, edge retention. Coming in like 59 to 61 HRC on it. The blade length is 3.15 inches. The handle is 4.17 inches. The action's pretty nice. Flips right out of there. You can have a large hand and get a 4-finger hold on there. But it doesn't palm very well, so it looks like, actually if you look at kind of like the Cavol, part of the Cavol helmet design on there. It's milled titanium pocket clip, and it's not reversible. It's a tip up. Gold or bronze, I think they're more gold looking screws that are in here are stainless steel. And it is a frame lock. Take a look at the lockup. Locks up all right. And it seems to push in pretty good too. If you wanted to push in a little bit further, it centers out. And the alignment is centered perfectly. Let's get a weight on it. Weight is 3.4 ounces. T8, and it is a T8. I mean, you can see they're obviously T8s, right? Pocket clip screw is T8, and the rest of the frame screws all T8, and main pivot screw T8. Get some comparisons. Benchmade bug out. The Ritter Hogue. Spyderco's Shaman. The Ontario Rat 1. 8010. Cold Steel. Spyderco's Para 3. These are going for $268 on the Cavol site. I haven't looked in other places. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think of this one. Is it nice? Is it something you'd carry? Is it something you want? Is it on the list of next knives for you guys, or is it something you pass on? Let me know in the comments. All right. See you next time.